Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11 and the AirPods, and I'm going to show you how we can pair these two devices. It's very simple. At the first we have to open charging case of the AirPods. Then we have to rotate that like that, and on the back you will find the pairing button, so you have to click and hold it. Let's make it. When this indicator starts blinking, we have to release that key right now. Then put back your AirPods, don't close the case, move to the notification bar and open the Bluetooth settings by clicking and holding the Bluetooth icon. Then tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth feature, and after a few moments AirPods will pop on the list. So we have to simply tap on them to connect, click pair, and as you can see right now we are activated, we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.